How to search story filters on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to find and use those awesome story filters on Instagram in less than a minute. First things first, open up your Instagram app. And now you need to go to the plus icon in the top left corner and then go to the story section. Now here you can see various filters in circle. Now you need to swipe to the left to find the new ones. Just keep swiping and you need to reach the very end and you can see a magnifying glass like icon. You just need to tap on it and now you're in the effects gallery and you can choose the filter of your choice. You can see the categories, or you can even go to the search bar at the left hand side and then search for the name of the effect. So this is how you search for story filters on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.